Let's face it, managing a business nowadays seems like yelling in a packed space. Everyone's seeking attention, sharing advertisements, initiating campaigns. Yet only a handful truly gain visibility. You can nearly sense the sound, the rivalry, the disorder. It's tiring to differentiate oneself amidst the noise of everyone yelling. Simultaneously, you have an excellent product. You've invested your emotions and time into transforming it into something valuable. However, stillness, the phone isn't buzzing, the emails aren't arriving, and your digital ads, they're simply consuming your budget. It's akin to yelling into emptiness, wishing that someone will eventually hear. Drawing in customers goes beyond mere selling. It's essential for survival. Every business owner understands that without loyal customers, even the finest concepts diminish. Your enthusiasm cannot flourish without individuals supporting it. You're not merely battling for sales, you're battling for your dream to survive. But what if I revealed that the top marketing experts, from Kotler to Godin, have already charted the way to draw in dedicated customers? You don't have to solve everything by yourself. The knowledge exists. You simply have to know how to apply it. And that's precisely what we will reveal in this video. Today, we're diving into 7 proven strategies to attract more customers, ideas inspired by some of the greatest marketing books ever written. Imagine unlocking insights that help global brands grow, but explained in a way that fits your own business journey. This is where powerful ideas meet. Real-world action. Ready to begin? Let's go. Hi, I'm Lena, and welcome to BizMastery Channel, where we help you master your business, master your future. Every week, we share real-world lessons to help entrepreneurs grow smarter and stronger. You're in the right place if you want your business to stand out and thrive. If you love practical business insights that actually work, hit that subscribe button and join our growing community of smart entrepreneurs. Together, we'll build businesses that don't just survive, but truly make an impact. Don't just watch, grow with us. Quick note, everything here is for educational purposes only. These are ideas to help you think smarter about your business, not financial or legal advice. Always adapt what you learn to your unique situation. In this video, we'll explore 7 powerful marketing principles, breaking them down into simple, real-life lessons you can apply right away. No jargon, no confusing theories. Just practical insights you can use to attract more customers and grow your brand. So grab your notebook, because this could change how you see your business forever. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear, actionable path to attract customers and grow with confidence. Let's dive into the first strategy. Strategy 1. Understand your audience thoroughly. Before selling anything, it's essential to know your audience and what worries them. What are their aspirations, anxieties, and everyday challenges? The most effective marketing begins not with a product, but with understanding people's feelings. Listen before you speak. The fastest growing brands aren't necessarily the noisiest. They are the ones that genuinely pay attention. Taking the time to grasp your audience makes your message feel more like a discussion rather than an advertisement. Individuals seek more than just purchases. They desire to feel acknowledged. Consider it similar to dating. If you focus solely on yourself throughout, there won't be a follow-up date. However, when you pay attention and show concern for the other person's narrative, you establish trust. In business, trust serves as the basis for every transaction. To bring this to life, envision customer Sarah. At 35, she juggles work and family, often pressed for time, at seeking ways to simplify her life. Understanding her goals, fears, and dreams transforms your message from noise into something personal. That's where genuine connection starts. Strategy 2. Develop a brand narrative that resonates. Individuals do not recall facts. They remember narratives that evoke emotions. When your brand narrates a tale of intention, hardship, and development, individuals can relate to it. Consider your brand like a film. Your customer is the protagonist, and your product serves as the instrument that aids them in achieving victory. You're not the main attraction. You're the mentor who assists them in achieving their objective. That transition alters everything. A compelling narrative links reasoning and feeling, facts then form. But narratives persuade. When individuals connect emotionally with your message, they have greater trust in your brand. That's how attachment transforms into allegiance. Begin by summarizing your narrative in 3 sentences: your goal, your struggle, and your evolution. Keep it straightforward, genuine, and relatable. That's what sticks with people. Strategy number 3. Build trust before you sell. Trust is the invisible currency of every business. If people don't trust you, they won't buy from you, no matter how great your offer is. Trust grows from consistency. It's like watering a plant. You don't see results overnight. But over time, roots grow deep. Be reliable. Be transparent. And your customers will notice. Share value before asking for anything. Give insights, stories, or small wins that show you care. That's how trust begins. When people feel you're on their side. Remember, trust is earned, not claimed. It's what happens when your actions match your words. Again and again. Strategy number 4. Provide greater value than anticipated. Excellent companies don't merely fulfill expectations, they surpass them. Amaze your clients with kindness and thoughtfulness. Consider it similar to inviting friends over to your house. You don't only provide them food, you ensure they feel at home. That emotion fosters devotion. When individuals receive more than what they anticipated, they recall you. It's not about large savings, it's about minor, consider actions. The most effective marketing is showing kindness. It creates lasting relationships. Strategy number 5. Use the power of social proof. People trust people more than ads. When customers share their positive experiences, it's more powerful than any sales pitch you could create. Think about it. When you see a restaurant full of people, you naturally want to eat there. That's social proof in action. It's human instinct to follow the crowd when the crowd seems happy. Encourage your customers to share their stories, photos, reviews, or simple testimonials. When you highlight real people, your brand feels alive. Remember, credibility isn't built by what you say about yourself, but what others say about you. Strategy number 6. Leverage digital tools smartly. Technology is your ally, not your enemy. You don't need to be a tech genius. You just need to know which tools make your work easier and your reach wider. Think of digital tools like a map. They don't walk the path for you, but they show you where to go. Analytics, automation, and social platforms are guides, not replacements for human connection. Use them wisely. Don't chase every trend. Focus on what brings real connection and measurable results. Simplicity beats complexity every time. When tech supports your message, not replaces it, your business feels both modern and human. That's the sweet spot. Strategy number 7. Keep learning and adapting. The best entrepreneurs are lifelong students. Markets change, people evolve, and staying curious keeps your business alive. Think of learning like upgrading your compass. It keeps you heading in the right direction even when the map changes. Each setback is a lesson hidden within. By keeping an open mindset, you transform setbacks into motivation for development. The market rewards those who evolve. Keep asking, keep testing, and never stop learning. Because growth is the real secret to long-term success. To summarize, understand your audience, share a narrative, establish trust, differentiate yourself, utilize digital tools effectively, provide genuine value, and continue to learn. Every one of these steps is a component of the puzzle. Combined, they form a business that draws in customers effortlessly. Every successful marketer began modestly. The distinction is they continually sought to enhance their skills. Growth isn't immediate. It unfolds through steady, incremental progress. If this video changed your perspective on your business, please like it, subscribe, and share it with another entrepreneur who could benefit from this message. Your assistance helps this community thrive. I'm eager to hear your opinions. Which of these strategies do you plan to try initially? Leave your response in the comments, and we can have a discussion. We learn quicker together. This is Lena from the BizMastery Channel. Control your business. Control your future. Keep in mind that winning customers doesn't require a large budget, only a big heart and a clever strategy. Catch you in the upcoming video.